This is a very simple spaghetti recipe, and all you need is tomato ketchup and a little chili sauce. This is very simple and anyone can make it, and the cook time is about 20 minutes. So to get started, we have to light our cooker. Then put in a saucepan and add some water. And when you add the water, make sure that you get your spaghetti ready and all the stuff ready while the water is boiling. And once it boils, add your spaghetti of your choice, and you're gonna let it boil until it is soft. While it's boiling, feel free to add some salt, and you can stir it. Then let it boil again until it is really soft. Feel free to check in between if it is ready or not. And when it is boiling, make sure that you leave some air to pass through it. Now you can see mine was pouring, so I checked it as well. It's not ready yet, so I just let it cook for more like 2 more minutes. While it's boiling, make sure you'll be cutting your onions, your garlic and everything, getting everything ready. Now it is ready and soft and good. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take it out and filter the water. Then we shall put a fresh pan. Please forgive my pan, I know it's old. And we're gonna add some cooking oil. You can use any oil of your choice, olive oil, or you can use butter, whatever you have. In my case, I'm using just the normal vegetable oil, and then I'll add my little garlic and let it just cook for a couple of seconds, and then we add the onions as well. So let the onion cook for about 1 minute. Make sure that your heat is low. Mix it up. After that, I'm just gonna add my other ingredient, that is just the tomato ketchup. Be careful while you're adding and make sure that your heat is low because it's gonna be sparkling, like kind of. So just make sure the heat is low and then mix it very, very well. Then I'll also add a little chili sauce, you can see, just to give it some spicy taste. This is mild chili. You can add depending on what you want, and then after we're gonna add our spaghetti in there. I left a little water to it so that it can cook further for just a few minutes. So after adding the spaghetti, I'm gonna mix it all well and make sure that everything is uniform. So this is an optional step. You can decide to add milk if you have, but this is really optional. You don't need to do this. Yes. So after adding the milk, I'm just gonna let it cook on low heat for about 5 minutes. After that, you can add herbs of your choice. You can add parsley. Guys, I didn't have parsley, so I just used rosemary, which is weird. But yeah, it's just for the aesthetics, and also it has some good smell. After that, this is what you have. You can serve and eat. And this is what we have. Simple and very fast to cook, and also it's budget friendly. So try out this recipe and let me know how it comes out. Feel free to leave other ideas in the comments. Bye.